KOVERBOND, Plastic and Fiberglass Repair System. In this short introduction video to KOVERBOND, you will see how this bumper, which is cracked in two, is repaired then bent and twisted, using 3 of KOVERBOND's products which are PLASTIX, PLASTI-HAIR, KOVERBOND. Step 1, PLASTIX. Quick Plastic Repair Kit. PLASTIX works in seconds as a spot weld or chemical weld adhesive on plastics. Here, by applying 3 spot welds, we will hold the 2 sides of the crack in place and further work the part. PLASTIX is easy to use. Just sand the 2 sides of the crack to improve adhesion, dry wipe, apply the chemical powder and react it with its liquid activator in the dropper bottle. PLASTIX comes with a reinforcing mesh, used when PLASTIX is applied by itself, but, in this long crack repair, PLASTI-HAIR will come on top of PLASTIX, so we do not need to apply the reinforcing mesh. Step 2, PLASTI-HAIR, Repair Body Filler for Bumpers and Plastics. PLASTI-HAIR is a mixture of resins, plasticizers, polymer additives and adhesion promoters. It contains fiberglass in powder and in strands for a strong but balanced reinforcement, giving a semi-rigid plastic flexibility. Here PLASTI-HAIR will be applied on the back and on the front of the bumper to reconstruct the crack. PLASTI-HAIR is easy to use. Just sand the surface on the front and back, dry wipe, mix with cream hardener, and spread. Step 3, KOVERBOND, Specialized Body Filler for Bumpers and Plastics. KOVERBOND's advanced formula gives it an improved flexibility and high adhesion on plastics, fiberglass and metal. Its color imitates plastic and is easy to prime. Here KOVERBOND will be applied on the front only for an aesthetic finishing. KOVERBOND is easy to use, just mix with its cream hardener and spread. Here the end repair is tested by twisting and then hitting with a hammer. As you see, there is no problem. After here all you need is priming and painting. KOVERBOND's plastic repair system give a friendly, cost-effective and fast tool to all auto body shop, repair technicians and do-it-yourselfers. Visit us on our webpage, www.koverbond.com/USA. In our Facebook, www.facebook.com/KOVERBONDUSA.